Still going to the ATM just to set your debit card PIN? Skip the trip. Set up the PIN for your HDFC Bank debit card right from your mobile within minutes. Here's how to do it using the HDFC Bank app. Log into the app and go to the Cards tab. Scroll to your debit card, tap on Manage Card. Now select Set Reset PIN. Enter your new PIN, accept the terms and conditions, and confirm. Experience enhanced security with two-factor authentication. Enter your debit card's CVV and expiry date and authenticate using your MPIN. That's it. Your debit card PIN is set without leaving your seat. Now that your PIN is ready, enjoy secure payments and exciting benefits on dining, entertainment, shopping, and more. Don't wait. Log into the HDFC Bank app and set your PIN today.
Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank. Tap on the bell icon for regular updates.